Hello, what up, pioneers? I remain your brother, the king of pie, the CEO of Crazy Egmons Television, aka Ghost General. Alright, in just 2 minutes, I want to teach you guys how to pass your KYC. The step-by-step processes. Every single step you need to take to pass your KYC. Okay? Have you been invited for KYC and you are asking, how do I go about it? This is all the steps you need to pass your KYC. Stay tuned. Alright guys, you're welcome back. Let's go straight to the point. Now you've gotten your KYC invitation. Congratulations guys, congratulations. Yes, I know that is what you've been waiting for. Okay, the first thing you need to do is launch your KYC from your Pi app. I always advise this, please. Launch it for recognition sake from your Pi app, okay? Now load your Pi browser, and once you are in, it will automatically open your Pi browser. Then click on KYC. The moment it opens, and please remember to click every task button, okay? Otherwise you cannot proceed. I'm over 18, I'm 18 plus, okay? This and that, I agree to all policy and all of this. You must agree with every single policy asked by Pi core team. So having agreed to all of this, now we move on to selection of identity card. Guys, just as I always keep educating my families, the Nigerians, on what card to use, I believe wherever you are watching me from, by now you should understand the valid cards, the requirements needed by Pi core team to pilot Pinetwork KYC. Okay, as for Nigerians, we have 5 valid identity cards for KYC. Now from scale of priority, okay, the first one is your international passport, and I believe this is also valid for every pioneer, either as a Nigerian or as a whatever, as a Lebanese, as a Vietnamese, as a Chinese, whatever you are. International passport is globally acceptable, valid. So the first one is your international passport, followed by your national identity card, your national ID. Nigerians, I believe you know our national identity card. Now the third and the fourth one are the NIN new ID cards, okay? The names card. We have the premium with the green background, we have the standard with the white background. So whichever of these two also valid. The last but not the least is your driver's license, which is the 5th one for Nigeria, your driver's license. Guys, mind you, you are not to use a paper card. I also advise you not to use an uploaded card. Snap it as KYC or as Pi core team is asking you during your KYC pilot. Don't go and upload it from somewhere. Don't use digital card. Make sure they are all plastic ID cards, okay? Otherwise, if it happens to be the AI that is validating you, if it's not a human validator, you will not be validated. That is the point. Some will come to tell me, sir, my downline used the digital ID card and he got his KYC, whereas I used the same thing and I was being denied. The question is, were you being validated the same way she was being validated by AI, the computer validator, or you were being validated by the human validator? So these are two different things, and which you guys don't understand. And also be conscious of this. Do not select driver's license and go and at the long run submitting international passport. Do not select NIN national identity card and at the long run submitting standard or premium NIN. These are 3 different things for Nigerians: the national ID, the NIN premium, the NIN standard. All right, they distinct one another. Make sure what you select from the options, you will see the options popping out: passport, NIN premium, NIN standard, national identity card, driver's license. Make sure you are selecting the right one and you are also uploading the right one. The moment you interchange either human validator or computer validator, none of them will validate you. Okay, having done this, the next stage is for you to snap. You are snapping. Please, why snapping your identity card? It is only international passport that will not request for the back. Okay, others will request for both front and back. I repeat, other will request for both front and back. So please, if we want to snap, if you are using international passport, you only have the data page to snap. Never use snap this way. Never use snap this way. That's portrait. Never use snap on portrait, I beg of you. And never use snap on vertical position. This is vertical, right? It must be horizontal. This is how you position it. You are snapping like this, and that is how your card is to be positioned as well. Okay? And for international passport, you are snapping only the data page. As for other cards, you'll see the option for front card and the back card. So having done this, the next stage is what? Your liveliness. Your liveliness has to do with few seconds video. Okay? And in these videos, you will see the command on your dashboard. Smile. Some of you, when they say smile, oh, how does smile has to do with? When they say smile well. Make sure your teeth. You want to pass KYC, you are smile well. Okay? So after the smile, you will see another pop-up that will tell you look straight into the I think that's even the first command. Look straight into the camera. Don't look straight into the camera by closing or folding one of your eyes, as if you are just coming back from a war front, or you are being attacked with tear gas. Open it very well. If you don't open it very well, the AI cannot scan into your retina, your eyes. The computer wants to see your eye. That is what they want to scan. Open it very well. Let computer notify, get clarified. Let computer be convinced. Open it like a soldier. Yes. So having done this, then in the process of doing this, remember to always do like this. The computer wants to know if you have 2 ears. Some of you will keep seeing error. You are doing the liveliness video, it keeps showing you popping error. You've done it like 2 or 3 times, you are still seeing error. It's because you stood still. Are you an idol? Even some idol selves, when you pour their oil on top of their sacrifice, they still jab. Are you an idol? Why standing so? You need to check your head to confirm your 2 ears. Okay? Am I too funny? Don't mind me. So immediately you do this, you'll be confirmed. Then the next stage is uploading your datas or filling your data form. Okay? It will ask of your full name. Make sure the name is exactly what it is on your Pi account. Though you may include your middle name, it doesn't matter. Make sure at least 2 of those names are exactly what you still have on your Pi network. I've always told you, if your name differs, come and ask me and let me see how I can advise you. For those of you that you use the right card or passport and yet you are still your KYC is on review or whatever, it's because you apply for change of name. So change of name or application for change of name can delay your successful KYC. That is just it. Now, I haven't filled all the name, the postal code, the address. Make sure there is a number in your address. If there is no number, there is an issue. If there is no postal code, Google it. Your postal code is on Google. Every state, every street has postal code. Put all of this, fill every information, and agree that you have submitted your rightful biodata. Confirm it, send. You will be approved. Your KYC will be approved in less than 2-3 minutes. It is as simple as this. I want to believe I have touched lives, I've affected life positively, and I've contributed immensely to Pi Network community. So please hit the subscribe button, under the notification bell. But this is the most important thing you must do. Take this link to your downlines, help them so that they can as well pass their own KYC. I love you guys, and I'll continue to be alive by the special grace of God, all right, to guide us, to share 1 or 2 things with us as far as Pi Network and Web3 wealth is concerned. God bless you guys. I love you guys. I remain your humble brother, the King of Pi. Share to your downlines. Thank you.